Hey guys, this is Joe here coming to you from South Missouri, and today we're going to be talking about our C-Series and how to remove the PTO shaft on it. So coming around, right here is our gearbox that is driven by our PTO shaft. So it's a little bit different than most other companies, as you cannot get to your disconnect inside of here. So what we're actually going to be doing is we're going to take off these 3 bolts right here. Take off this larger one. So right here, we're going to slide this shaft completely out. And the hex shaft comes with it. And to install it, we'll just slide it back through there, replace our bolt, and retorque our 10 millimeter bolts. So once you got that bolt back in, make sure when you're tightening these small bolts right here, just do them by hand. Otherwise you will strip out the bolt going into the casing. They just need to be snug as they have lock washers. So that's it for your field notes for today. Thank you guys for watching.